Hi Vieira with the Stock Market Live.tv. So we wish to win this very powerful, the most powerful and most expensive 911. It's very simple. You have the recommendations on the blog of the company. Live, zero losses, zero risk. One recommendation and you win a 911 overnight. For example, buying, investing in Netflix ahead of earnings by following the guidance ahead of earnings which you have on the blog of the company, and Ferrari, okay? But also, since we are everywhere, selling short Chipotle. Chipotle, my friends, exactly. Chipotle, one of the favorite stocks portfolio, Bill Ackman, and in fact, Clinton's favorite stock, is not a buy. It's a strong sell. Strong sell, which I announced here a long time ago. Downtrend, long term, there is no value in Chipotle. Downgraded live in the blog of the company above $700. Okay? At that time, we announced Chipotle sell short the most in a decade. Well, the decade has not finished yet. Therefore, you have a long-term downtrend since you Americans are the fattest people in the world. And they are dying, all right? And burgers are not good. They were good in the 50s, in the 60s, when Buffett, invested in Coke, in McDonald's later on, railroads. But Chipotle is not good. People are dying, my friends. You understand? People are dying. Chipotle and burgers are not good for your health. They are not good for the health of your children. You should invest in technology. Netflix, Intuitive Surgical, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, biotech companies, precisely the ones that we tell you here to invest in. Priceline, companies where Mr. Warren Buffett, he does not even know or is aware of. Precisely the case of Vertex Pharmaceuticals, Mr. Warren Buffett does not know what this company does. Or Intuitive Surgical, the single best performers in the industry. In fact, worldwide, my friends. You have them in the blog of the company. All right? You don't get them from Mr. Warren Buffett telling you to invest in cigarettes, in alcohol, drugs. No. Or Wells Fargo. No, my friends, you are not going to put your money in Wells Fargo. You are going to sell short Clintons. Clintons, according to the methodology, Clintons, as Trump agrees with me, 100% we are together. Me and Trump together selling short Chipotle, all right? So where is today Chipotle? And you had it ahead of the crash. Chipotle is selling every day, all right? So Chipotle as of today, by the way, don't forget about, you have it Chipotle here, $356. Don't forget the most important, the possibility to win the most expensive 911. 911, you don't want a 911. For God's sake, let's play a bit the video. Fuck, look at this. Look at this. Look at this light. This is better than Tesla. Better, and I cover your short in Tesla, and we also offer you a Porsche. I'm not joking, it is on the blog of the company. Today Tesla is worth $330. You were informed about it. Alright, and if you want to know more, you subscribe. So I'm going to click here. Today Chipotle, you have this price, wonderful, $356.25. It is not $700, $800, my friend. No, this is burritos, this is poison. Do not invest in Chipotle. But anyway, where is this coming from? You have plenty of articles, okay? So I'm going here to refer to this one, which is not the most recent, but it explains very well the history investing in Chipotle. Chipotle, it was a strong buy here at $56.58, all right? So many years ago, Chipotle invested $56.58. but Chipotle is not technology. Chipotle is not McDonald's, all right? McDonald's is by far better, in fact. World's largest investor sells short Chipotle, Clinton favorite stock. Okay, so I'm going to repeat again for people to, because it is clear English, is language. We cannot change the language, we cannot change articles. It is available on the web, it is everywhere. Okay, so it is clear English, native English, World largest investor sells short Chipotle, Clinton favorite stock. So, well, Alex, but I forgot. You forgot. All right. So if you forgot, nevertheless, you forgot, you have this. I'm going to click here on the blog of the company. It's amazing. I mean, I'm wasting my time. No one is paying me. I'm going to click here, and you have these articles. All right. So you have all these articles, real time charts and so on. And you have here, let's see, let's click here on this one, very recent, all right? What does it say, the article? What does it say? I'm going to read. Autonomous trading downgrades Chipotle to strong sell. Shares to crash, all right? Do you remember what happened to AutoZone? O'Reilly and Advanced Auto Parts, they collapse, they crash, they melt, right? So you had plenty of time. And by the way, if you want to know about small investors making a fortune in the markets, better than pros, you have the video live on YouTube. So here you have a chart, all right? I'm going to click here, full screen. You have this chart, and you have the investment process. Throughout the years in Chipotle, since our downgrade, 700 to 750. By the way, above $700, probably, those that they are short side, like Bill Ackman and so on, you had Mr. Precisely. Who? Exactly. Jim Cramer on CNBC telling you when the shares they were above $700, Chipotle is the best thing in history. Exactly. You Google it, all right? And you had Clinton on TV eating burritos. Oh, my friends, Clintons, they lost. As far as I know, and Donald Trump is there, seated in the White House, right? So, massive short position. Clintons down, sell short Clintons. Bill Ackman. Well, my friends, about Bill Ackman, we have 100 videos, 100 articles. You remember the collapse down to single digits in Valiant and Chipotle? Only God knows what can happen, right? So this chart here, by the way, you can click on it. I recommend that you visit the blog of the company, so I'm not going to explain everything. So reiterated strong sell recent at $490. In fact, it started at $470. All right. You remember that last quarter, Chipotle, the share price jumped, in fact, after hours to 510. Okay. So that was briefly, and therefore, again, I remember everything because I was there, okay? But since massive short positions cannot be placed in Chipotle, there was no volume after hours, we had to do it later on at $490. $490, and by the way, don't forget that these recommendations here, we also recommended to cover the short position at 360 and to go long the stock, okay? So the stock rallied $100, in fact more, and there is a long-term downtrend in Chipotle, okay? So today, and by the way, this chart, it was made available to investors at $400, okay? So you have $400. So today, you have shares down more $50 basically, right? So no subscribers, my friends. You had plenty of time to make a considerable fortune in Chipotle. Where are you? I don't know. I don't care, okay? So what I do know is that this is available, all right? Pretty simple, I would say, all right? If you want to invest in good companies, for God's sake, you have here, look, Crazy cheap stocks to buy now. Alibaba strong buy. It's not Chipotle, it's Alibaba, okay? So let's, for example, click here. All this in real time, it is there, okay? So let's click here, let's make this exercise, because there are many people, they are, mentally disabled. So let's do this, all right? Again, the title in English language, explicit, even for Americans. Crazy cheap stocks to buy now. Alibaba, strong buy, all right? And you have here the video. And the video, in fact, also has Netflix 6,000% return on investment. Yeah, it is real, okay? And moreover, if you want even more profits, not only to sell short Chipotle, but if you want even more, you also have the possibility to do so ahead of earnings, free live earnings call ahead of earnings, I repeat, by investing heavily. Where? Precisely. Investing in companies as Netflix, where you have the call on the article on the website of the company, and Ferrari, correct? So, as of today, just for your reference, this is the price in Ferrari, $100.24, and Netflix, $183 an hour, all right? So going back to the article or the blog of the company where you have everything, and quite frankly, I don't know why people, they are visiting CNBC, all these scammers, that they are deceiving investors. By referring again to the blog of the company, you click here, blog, it is on the menu, it's just blog, all right? Blog, and then you go down this week in the markets, okay? Wait to refresh. In fact, you don't have to wait. We have one of the fastest websites in the world. And you have here ahead of earnings if you want to. I'm going to click. And again, very explicit. For those that they obviously are interested in making money in the markets. Others, they lose it all, okay? So the title is Netflix and Ferrari price target raised ahead of blowout coming earnings. We even say blowout coming earnings. Blowout quarters, you see? So, congratulations to everyone, all right? So, congratulations to everyone. You have here the article. Again, I'm wasting my time, quite frankly, because this information, it is public. Netflix and Ferrari price target raised ahead of blowout coming earnings, okay? So, I'm going to dedicate then a video exclusively to Netflix and Ferrari investors, all right? So, I leave you with the quote in Netflix, that by the way traded to $188 more or less, and after earnings you had shares opening at 175, and obviously by far better than Tesla. Ferrari, just compare the charts. Most people have never invested in Ferrari. It means obviously that Ferrari by far better. For example, price to earnings of Tesla 800, price to earnings Ferrari 37. Okay? So we had a strong buy rating in Ferrari since $32. $32, okay? We started in Tesla with 38 to 42. So $32, it is a steal. In fact, it should be forbidden to have Ferrari at $32, but fortunately for you, you had Ferrari at $30 with our upgrade to strong buy, as well as you had Facebook at $20 with our upgrade to strong buy. You had Google several years ago at $97 on IPO day, with us saying this is a monopoly, buy whatever you want. Intuitive Surgical, $1,000. Amazon, $1,000. There is no risk investing in the market. You just have to place your market order to invest we wake up and artificial intelligence do all the work. 100% accuracy. Proven, always live on the tape. You understand? Simple. Congratulations. Bye.